Hi, my name is Tim O'Neill with AZ Property Inspections. I'm here at a house in Chandler, Arizona today, and I just wanted to show you a water heater situation. They have a water heater in the garage, but then they also have a water heater out here in a closet on an extension on the house. And so there are two things I wanted to point out here. One is that if you have a water heater in a closet at your house, just be aware of the fact that it should have a pan like this underneath the unit and have it plumbed out outside the house, just in case this thing starts to leak. This way the water collects and it goes out of the house instead of affecting the walls, which could lead to mold issues. Also, somebody's obviously been working on this particular machine. You can see that the covers, they're right up here, but they should be on the machine here and here. And the problem here is that there are exposed terminals with very, very high voltage wires in here. And some child could come along and touch this and really get hurt. So anyway, that's about it on an additional water heater. If you have any questions, please give us a call at AZ Property Inspections. Have a good day.